Hey everyone, welcome to the workshop today. It's great to have you here. This is Adam Short, and I have Joel. Joel Peterson is here today as well. Hey Joel,
How's it going, everyone? Thanks for being here.
great to have you. Awesome. Yeah, it looks like we have a packed house today. This is going to be awesome. Fantastic. Welcome. We're just going to kind of welcome everybody in here for a couple of minutes before we officially get started. So, just in the questions box, just let us know where you're tuning in from today. And let us know what brought you here as well, what you're hoping to learn from the workshop.
Looks like we have a ton of people here. Thank you, everyone, for connecting.
Yes, indeed. Welcome, 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 Jamie. Welcome, BU from New Zealand. John is tuning in here from Sacramento, hoping to learn how to make up to 800 per day in automated profits. John, you're in the right place. We're going to be covering that in detail. Kim is here. Ken, sorry, from Singapore. Steve is tuning in from Utah. Catherine from Germany. Awesome. So we have people from all over the world here. Well, this is going to be a fantastic workshop today, guys. I think some of you have probably tuned into this workshop before. Some of you have never seen this workshop before. But even for those who have seen one of the prior workshops, we have some brand new material that we're going to be covering that we're really excited about. So we're going to be diving into that.
Perfect. Thank you, guys. It looks like we can advance to the next slide. I think we're
Sounds good.
close to getting started here.
Okay. Joel, I'm ready if you are. Should we go ahead and jump in?
Let's get going.
All right. Welcome again, everyone, to the workshop today. We're very excited to have you here. We're going to be showing you how we're making up to $800 per day in totally automated crypto profits with a secret technology that works incredibly fast and profits consistently whether the market is up or down. And we're also going to be sharing something brand new that we haven't shared before on a prior workshop. We're going to be showing you how we have turned $500 into close to $40,000 in just 4 months using basically a copy-paste trading strategy, using ready-made trade setups. We're going to show you exactly what we're talking about here and how you can implement these as well to start turning even a very small investment into a significant one going forward. So we have a lot of exciting stuff in store here. Your host today, that's me on the left. I'm Adam Short, and some of you may know us, but we'll go ahead and give you a little bit of background here. Again, I'm Adam. I'm from Washington, and that's where I'm tuning in from today. I'm married with one daughter, and I got started online as a marketing analyst at Overture. I was learning how to do paid advertising and how to do internet marketing at the Overture search engine. That's where I kind of got my feet wet with the internet. I started an online internet marketing training and coaching business in 2005 and built that over the course of about 10 years. And along the way, got really heavily involved in trading stocks and into technical analysis, market analysis, and started seeing really a lot of success there and felt like that was actually one of my callings. I bought my first Bitcoin in 2017 and really haven't looked back. Bitcoin has really been something major for me in my career and in my journey in terms of just basically how incredible the crypto markets are and the returns that are possible there. So Joel, I know your background is similar in ways, but also a bit different. So if you want to share that with everyone here today.
Sure thing, Adam. I'll just be brief. I'm from Utah. I'm married. I have 6 kids. I've worked multiple jobs over the years. In fact, over 21 years ago is when I quit my last job. I worked at a 3M, and that's because I discovered the internet, and I learned very quickly that there was a way to get ahead in life, to get out of the rat race. I was that guy sitting in a cubicle, and nothing against jobs, but it wasn't for me. And I finally was able to triple my income in about 9 months after I got started at learning all the things about the internet. And I walked out of that company with my box in hand, not because I got laid off or fired, but because I said I quit and I'm never coming back. And that's over 21 years ago. And my life's been different ever since. Started a education and training company. And for the last 20 years, we've helped thousands of students have massive success and break out of the rat race. I helped launch, when I first learned about Bitcoin was back in 2013, in the very, very early days. And a good friend of mine said, "Hey, help us start this Bitcoin mining company." I was like, "What's a Bitcoin?" And so basically at the end of the day, they were selling Bitcoin mining servers for $3,000, and I was getting 10% of every sell. So I brought them hundreds and hundreds of customers. Each one of these mining servers could mine about 2 to 3 Bitcoin a month. And so we had a lot of students mining Bitcoin, making all kinds of Bitcoin. And then when it came time to pay me, they said, "Joel, do you want to get paid in dollars or Bitcoin?" I was like, "How about the dollars, man?" And anyway, I should have taken the Bitcoin, because you'd have to call me Mr. Peterson now. I'd be a multi millionaire. But that's when I first got my taste of Bitcoin, and when I saw how crazy the prices went up. And about 2017, 18, I got really, really serious about it. And that's when I became very, very good and proficient at crypto and learning how to profit with crypto. And then we started our company back in 2021, March of 2021, and we just have had incredible student success over these years, and it's just been awesome. We have over 40 employees around the world in our company, and we truly are a real company. We're a crypto research and education and software company, and it's just been the best thing we've ever done.
Awesome. Yeah. Now, a quick disclaimer before we begin. These are things that the FTC wants you to know. And yeah, we want to be transparent about this. During this presentation, we share student results and our own results from using these exact techniques and strategies that we're going to be sharing with you today. And this is not a guarantee that you will achieve the same or similar results. You might do worse, you might do better. This training is really for educational purposes. And you really need to do your own research when it comes to crypto. Never just take one person's opinion for financial guidance. So that ultimately, this training is not financial advice. We are going to show some big numbers and projections for future growth. But again, these are not promises of income. But if you follow our advice and follow what we're showing you in the program, you do stand to achieve significant success. But ultimately, your level of success is up to you. You do need to take action with what we're showing you, is one of the key messages here. Also, feel free to ask questions today. We want to make sure we get your questions answered. That's one of the reasons we're here today. We're going to be doing an FAQ session a bit later, but at the end of the call, we'll also be giving you our personal email and cell number so that you can reach out to us if you have additional questions or need help with anything. That said, we're getting ready to dive into the good stuff here. So your checklist, we want to make sure that you are 100% tuned in, because it's not every day you get the opportunity to be on a workshop like this one, which could really make a major impact for you going forward. So log out of Facebook, close out Instagram and social media, put your phone on silent, and get comfortable. We're getting ready here to get rolling. And if you're ready, just do me a favor and type "I'm ready" into the chat box. Awesome, awesome. All right, we're ready to roll. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Let's dive in here. So here's what we're talking about today. We're talking about a breakthrough crypto solution. It's the ultimate system for consistent, stress-free profits in crypto. You'll learn how we've used it to generate close to 4 figures per day in totally automated profit, and how you can be up and running with this exact same system mere minutes, literally, after watching this presentation. You're going to see incredible results today. You'll see why crypto is no longer a game of chance, how you can control everything, and how this works incredibly fast. Again, we're talking minutes to set this up and to start seeing profit rolling in. And you can see a screenshot there, $500 per day in profit, and from another account, $10,000 plus per month in totally automated income. This is what we're talking about today. You're also going to see behind the scenes, including real student case studies showing that literally anyone can make this work. Our latest campaign, which generated $8,803 in the first 2 weeks, we're going to dig into that and show you exactly how we did that, and the secret technology that we and our students are using, which makes all of this possible. For many people, again, this takes less than an hour to set up. There's minimal ongoing maintenance. This is as close to set and forget income as it gets. You're going to really see how simple all of this is. We've got huge student proof to show you as well, including students who are hitting a run rate of $20,000, $50,000, even $100,000 per year within their first few weeks of setting this up. You can see there, $41,000 per year, $96,000 per year, $186 per day, a 70x return. These are people who have come in with no previous experience and are earning amazing income with this method. We have a lot of incredible success stories to share with you throughout the presentation today. And I think it's important to know as well that many of the traditional obstacles have been completely eliminated. So there's no need to learn about crypto, finance, or investing to profit with this. There's no need to actively trade crypto or stare at charts all day long. And you can get started with a very small amount of capital, as little as a few $100s. This is very different to what you've seen before, and you can use it to create an immediate positive cash flow. You're going to see exactly how as we move forward here today. Plus, at the end of the workshop, we've got 3 very special gifts lined up for you. We put together a very special gift package. So make sure to stay to the end to get these. I'll go through what these are now. Gift number 1 is $10, $10 in Bitcoin. That's right, we're going to send you Bitcoin just for tuning in today. There's no purchase necessary, there's no strings attached. Just pay attention to the workshop today. Stay tuned in, and then we'll ask you to take a short quiz at the end of the workshop. That's all there is to it to claim your Bitcoin. All right, so that's gift number 1. Gift number 2, you'll also get the opportunity to join our random drawing. So each week, we hold a random drawing and give away $500 in Bitcoin to a few lucky people. You'll have the chance to win every week going forward. Just enter once. You'll be locked in. Each week going forward, you can win, even multiple times. And Bitcoin is just going to keep going up in value. Bitcoin has proven over the years that that's what it does. Years ago, somebody gave me just $5 worth of Bitcoin, and today it's worth $511, a 10,000% gain. It's crazy how fast Bitcoin has grown and continues to grow. And we want to get you some Bitcoin so you're positioned to benefit as it continues to climb. And then gift number 3 is actually a mystery gift. It's worth $297. We're not going to reveal it right now. That would make it not a mystery gift anymore. But you're going to love this. It's amazing, and you're going to want to get your hands on this. We'll show you where to get access to that at the end of the call as well. So 3 special gifts for everyone tuning in today. $10 in Bitcoin sent to you, a chance to win $500 in Bitcoin every week, the $297 mystery gift. All 3 are yours. Just stay tuned in today, and make sure you pay attention to the workshop. That's the key. And we'll be giving you exact instructions at the end of the call for how to access these gifts.
Thanks, Adam. So, again, everyone, we all know the phrase, once in a lifetime. The dawn of the internet is an example of a once in a lifetime opportunity. Just look how it's changed our lives. And if you you'd invested in Amazon, Google, or any other big internet companies early on, you would have done extremely well. But listen, crypto is even bigger. It's a once in a generation opportunity, because crypto, it has the potential to revolutionize the very foundation of society. It promises to redistribute the power and control from centralized companies and institutions back into the hands of individuals like you. Now, this is too big of a rabbit hole to fully go down on this webinar, but the point is this, everyone. Once you understand what crypto is, how it works, and what its purpose is, you'll start to see why the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so many other coins out there have exploded over the years to unfathomable levels. In fact, Bitcoin has been the best investment opportunity of our generation by far. Now, just look at this price action, where over the last 12 years or so, Bitcoin has exploded in price from $0 to close to $70,000. And so listen, $1,000 invested in Bitcoin 10 years ago would be worth over $13 million today. Did anyone buy Bitcoin 10 years ago? Raise your hand if you did. Nothing else comes close to this. Even the most volatile stock out there, Tesla, hasn't given returns anywhere close to this. Now, it's this volatility, these rapid and substantial moves in price that makes crypto so special. It's what sets crypto apart from other assets. Now, a lot of people see volatility as something that's scary, but it's not. You just need to know how to harness it properly, and that's exactly what we figured out how to do, and what we're going to show you how to do here today. So first up, it's important to understand that volatility is that double-edged sword. On one hand, it equals opportunity. The more volatility you have, the greater the potential profit. Let me give you an example here, just to illustrate this point. Have a look at the stock chart of IBM starting back in 2020. This is an example of a low volatility boring chart, all right? It's just moving along in a narrow channel, moving maybe 20% up and down at most. Now, compare that to the chart of a well-known cryptocurrency known as Dogecoin, which has made a lot of people a lot of money and very quickly. In a matter of weeks, the price went completely parabolic. In fact, that price move right there was about 12,400% gain. 12,400% gain. That's crazy. To put this in comparison, from January to June of 2021, IBM gained about 23%, not bad. 1,000 grew into $1,238. Dogecoin gained 12,400%. 1,000 grew to $123,000. An investment. So an investment in Dogecoin was 100x more profitable than IBM. It's really crazy when you think about it. Most people do not realize this. Longer term, the numbers are even more staggering. From January 2013 to June 2021, IBM lost 32%. 1,000 would have shrunk to $680. Doge gained 150,000%. 1,000 grew to $1.555 million. Okay, and listen, Dogecoin is just one of the stories in town. There's thousands of crypto coins that have seen astronomical gains over the past few years. Far too many to list here. That's just the nature of crypto. Now, as I mentioned, this volatility is a double-edged sword because on one hand, it equals opportunity, but on the other hand, it equals risk. Crypto can go down just as much as it can go up. And that's exactly what happened to Dogecoin. It crashed over 90% in the months following the parabolic price rise. And you know what? Most investors didn't sell on the way down. They just held, thinking that it would pop back up again. And that's the thing with trading. Whether you're buying stocks or crypto, we are our own worst enemy. You see, in an ideal world, most people would buy low and sell high as shown on the screen. You do that, right? You think that'd be easy enough to do, right? Well, it's much easier said than done. Because in reality, it's the opposite. Most people buy at the very top and sell at the very bottom. It's a tale as old of time. Who's ever bought at the top and sold at the bottom? Raise your hand if that's you. There's a very specific reason for this. It ties back to two of the most powerful core human emotions, fear and greed. Who here has heard of the fear and greed index before in relation to stock and crypto investing? Who here? Let me know in the questions. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, a lot of you have. It's a very well-known concept. When the price of a stock or crypto is going up, people start to get greedy, thinking the price will go up forever. So they buy. And the reverse is true. When the price is going down, people get fearful that it'll keep going down forever. So they sell. And these emotions are amplified 100-fold when you're declining with crypto because it's so volatile. Crypto goes up so much, so fast that people get extra greedy. And it goes down so fast that people get extra fearful. So instead of buying low and selling high, most people end up buying high and selling low. They miss out on a huge gains because of it. So Adam, do you want to talk a little bit more about that?
Yeah, definitely. Sounds good. People have known for a long time that these emotions are sort of playing tricks on them, and investors have come up with two ways of dealing with them. The first is just simple old buy and hold or HODL. This is where you purchase crypto with the intention of holding it for a long period, regardless of short-term market fluctuations. And the second is trading. This is where you're actively buying and selling crypto on a regular basis to achieve short-term profits. So those are the two common approaches for dealing with fear and greed, but there are problems with both approaches, right? If there weren't problems, everyone would be making incredible money in the stock market and in crypto, but there are problems. So buy and hold, for example, it might seem like the more sensible way to approach crypto investing, but it comes with some drawbacks. It requires a lot of research to do it right. It's still an emotional roller coaster because you still have to watch your crypto going up and down in value. You can get stuck underwater. Many cryptos decline and they never recover. It's not always clear when to cash in your gains. And ultimately, there's a very low likelihood that you'll actually sell at or even near the top. Even the best investors in the world have trouble selling at or near the top. To give you an example, our friend turned $3,000 into $384,000 but he didn't book his profits. So there's the chart actually of the crypto that we were talking about. Here was an altcoin. He bought low for sure. And I remember Joel was telling him, you know, when it went up here, Joel was saying, you've got to sell, you've got to get out, lock in your profits. He didn't. Now we know to do that because we've been doing this now for, you know, many years, but he didn't lock in his profits. He rode the price all the way down to about here, and he eventually sold. He eventually said, okay, you know, you were right. And so he made a little bit of profit, but he could have made a whole lot more. So now moving on to trading, okay, trading also comes with its own set of issues. Number one, it can take time to learn how to trade. It takes time to learn technical analysis. It can, you know, be a bit complicated, at least at first. It can take a long time to start to get the hang of things. And trading, you always have to be on, so it can be kind of mentally exhausting. It requires extreme emotional discipline as well to be consistent and win over a long period of time, because you have to get a handle on those emotions of fear and greed, and you often have to do what's contrary to what the crowd is doing when it comes to crypto. And so, you know, all in all, there's just a very low success rate when it comes to learning how to trade for these reasons. So with either approach, you know, the ultimate issue here is that you're still battling those emotions of fear and greed. You're still fighting with yourself. And for most of us, that's not a battle you're going to win in the long run when it comes to trading crypto. The price swings are just too unpredictable. Everyone thinks they're going to be that one person that sells at the top. I remember being that optimistic when I first got started. I said, you know, it can't be that hard. I'm going to be the one that sells at the top. Now, of course, I learned the hard way, you know, that wasn't the case. So, you know, the reality is different often from what we're thinking. And most people don't find that out until they've lost some money investing. Now, I'm happy to say that we've solved these problems. Having been in crypto now for years and living through the scenarios that we're talking about over and over again, Joel and I, we asked ourselves, what's a better way to do things here? How can we take advantage of the volatility in crypto and make money consistently on a daily basis without the risk and without the stress? Is that possible? And yes, it is. What we came up with, I think, is going to blow you away. This is different, it's unique, it's truly revolutionary, and here's why. We'll start out with what you don't need. You don't need to buy and hold crypto for the long term. You don't need to spend a ton of time on research. You don't need to spend years learning technical analysis. You don't have to stare at charts all day. You don't even have to actively trade crypto, which means you don't need to know when to enter or exit a trade. And you can just completely discard going through those constant emotional ups and downs. It's completely unnecessary with this. And the key difference between this system and other approaches is that it removes subjective decision making when it comes to profiting with crypto. This means that fear and greed are eliminated from the equation. Instead, we use a totally objective, extremely low risk, rules-based crypto trading system that is 100% automated and works for anyone who uses it. And it's all possible because we have a secret weapon. We've developed a highly sophisticated computer program that actually trades for us 24/7, generating profits multiple times every single day. Now, we're not the first to come up with the idea of automated trading. Wall Street's been using computers to trade stocks for years. In fact, the majority of trading on Wall Street is no longer done by humans. It's actually performed by computer programs. This article here from Florida International University explains what's going on here. So it states, algorithmic trading has increased significantly over the past 10 years. In the US stock market, about 70% of the comprehensive trading volume is initiated through algorithmic trading. According to BlackRock CEO Larry Fink, the likely reason for the relative unperformance of active equity funds is the limitation of human discretion and active portfolio management and stock picking. In other words, what he's saying is that most funds underperform because they're run by humans. Mark Wiseman, another executive at BlackRock, says the old way of people sitting in a room picking stocks, thinking they're smarter than the next guy, that does not exist anymore. So these are important statements coming from one of the biggest asset managers in the world, BlackRock, and they're right. So, we had our light bulb moment. Joel and I both have tons of experience in software development. We created many software tools for our online education businesses prior to getting involved in crypto. we could see that automated trading was taking over Wall Street. And so the question became pretty obvious. What if we apply the same concept to crypto? So we took our combined experience in software creation, investing, trading, and crypto, and we created the ultimate 100% automated crypto trading software. And we call it WaveBot. So going forward, we're going to show you exactly what WaveBot is. We're going to bring it out into the light, show you how it works, why it works so quickly, and how it makes money so consistently. And of course, we'll be sharing numerous real-world case studies as well as we go forward here. Now, before we dive into the good stuff, I want to clarify that this is a totally unique tool. This is not a Bitsgap grid bot. This is not an exchange bot. This is a unique, advanced crypto trading software that you're not going to find anywhere else. You can only find it here on this workshop. WaveBot does exactly what you would want a crypto trading software to do. It generates profit 24/7 automatically. It profits whether the market is going up or going down. It's extremely low risk because of the manner in which it operates. It will trade any crypto successfully. It can trade multiple cryptos at once. It's the only hands-free, truly stress-free way to consistently profit from crypto volatility that we've ever seen. And it works immediately. Here are just a few comments from our forum. These are actual WaveBot users who are just voluntarily sharing their success stories with us. You can see there, $28 on day 2, $33 on day 1, $152 on day 1, $53 on day 1. We have so many successful students. We can only fit a small fraction of them onto this webinar, but we'll share a few more here. This member made $619 in profit in his first 7 days. Devin, who has a small budget for his bots, reached his first $500 profit milestone in a few short days and is on his way to $1,000 in profit. And once this gets going, the profits just keep stacking up. Logan made $3,980 in profit in his first month with this strategy. That's $113 in passive income each day. He's on track to make about $41,000 this year. In 20 days, Flo created a quick $68 per day profit stream. He's on track to make about $24,000 this year. This member is making $150 to $200 per day. Just 5 days after starting with this strategy, her profit was $187.40, as you can see there. Her total profit over 5 days, over $800. She's on track to make about $68,000 in profit this year. So you have to ask yourself, would an extra $24,000, $68,000 or more in passive income, totally passive income, be of use to you? Would that be helpful to you? The key point that I want you to take away here, though, is that we are our own worst enemy when it comes to investing or trading. The more you can minimize fear and greed, the better you'll do in crypto. Now, you can spend a lot of time and a lot of practice mastering those emotions yourself, and you should do that anyway. But with WaveBot, you're instantly eliminating these two impediments because you're replacing yourself with an intelligence that makes decisions based on math and probabilities, not emotion, and you can lock into it right away. And WaveBot is automated. It is computer intelligence, so it doesn't stop. It just goes on generating profit day after day, hour after hour like clockwork, whether you're sitting at the computer or not. Is this making sense so far? Just give me a yes or no in the chat box. Great. Yes. Yes, awesome. Yeah, we have a lot more to share. We're just getting started here. Thanks everyone for participating, sharing your feedback. Joel, I know you've got a lot more you want to share about WaveBot and what it can do. So why don't you go ahead and take it away?
Absolutely. Thank you, Adam. Indeed. So you know the basics of how WaveBot works. Let's take things a step further and cover the 5 simple steps to getting WaveBot set up and making money. These steps are as follow. Number 1, open up a crypto exchange account. Takes you about 5 to 10 minutes. Number 2, connect WaveBot to your account with a few mouse clicks. Number 3, pick a cryptocurrency to trade. We're going to give you our top 20. Number 4, deploy WaveBot with a few mouse clicks. Number 5, collect ongoing daily profits. It's really that simple. WaveBot will place trades on your behalf through your exchange, and you can withdraw your profits to your bank account at any time. So I'm sure you're wondering, how is WaveBot doing this? How is it generating these profits so consistently over the long term? So let's get into that. Here's a chart of cryptocurrency. It doesn't look it doesn't even matter what crypto is, right? Just notice the pattern. Doesn't matter what coin this is. Just notice that pattern. What does it look like to you guys? What does it look like to you guys? If you ask me, it looks like a wave. And that's the crypto volatility at play that I was talking about. It goes up and it goes down. And it goes up and it goes down, just like a wave. Well, WaveBot, think of it like this. WaveBot is like a surfer. It waits until it sees the perfect wave, and then it catches that wave and rides it to the shore. And it does this, it does something very important when it does this. Every time it rides a wave to the shore, it brings you some money. And your surfer will do this over and over again, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And you can set up multiple surfers all surfing the waves at once. So imagine all of these surfers bringing you profits hundreds or even thousands of times per day. That's what WaveBot can do. Who would like that? Type in yes in the questions if that is you. And the key reason is this: WaveBot works so well because it actually does the opposite of what everyone else is doing when it comes to trading crypto. Let me show you here. Remember earlier we discussed why most people buy at the top and sell at the bottom. It's due to what? Fear and greed. And it's just human nature. But WaveBot is operating outside the walls of these emotions. It doesn't care. Instead of buying high and selling low like everyone else, WaveBot buys low and sells high. So how is it doing this exactly? Well, here's some insights into the mind of WaveBot. First, instead of waiting for the price of a given crypto to go up, WaveBot waits for the price to start dropping. Second, WaveBot buys as the price drops. Third, and finally, WaveBot sells when the price swings back up, locking in your profits. And it uses a powerful investing technique known as dollar cost averaging. This is where the buy orders are spread out over time. This drastically lowers risk, and that's the big thing. It increases long-term profit as well. And it makes it very hard to lose a trade. So in regular investing, most people go all in at the top and they sell everything at the bottom, all right? But so you might put in, say, like $100 at the top and then cash out at $20 at the bottom for an 80% loss. Ugh. That's what most people are doing. Raise your hand if you've ever done that. With WaveBot, it waits for the price to start dropping before it does anything. And as it sees the price continue to drop, it begins to place multiple small buy orders on the way down, all the way to the bottom. Every time it buys, the overall average price gets lower and lower. Then, when the price swings back up, WaveBot sells and locks in those profits. Again, crypto waves, and that's what it does. It goes up and it goes down consistently, and WaveBot takes advantage of this and never-ending supply of volatility. We're taking advantage, we're surfing the wave, we're pulling in money. And it's this 24/7 money machine, because it really is a 24/7 money machine, because it's doing all of this on its very short time frame all day long. So it's locking in profits every day, multiple times a day. So remember, there are just 5 simple steps to setting up your first WaveBot. Number 1, open up a crypto exchange account, 5 to 10 minutes. Number 2, connect WaveBot to your account with a few mouse clicks. Number 3, pick a cryptocurrency to trade. We're going to give you our top 20. Number 4, deploy WaveBot with a few mouse clicks. And number 5, collect ongoing daily profits. And then you can just start scaling from there. Simply rinse and repeat the last few steps to set up your second bot. So pick a new cryptocurrency to trade from our list, or from the ones you've chosen yourself. Deploy a new WaveBot with just a few mouse clicks. Start collecting profits. There's no limit on the amount of bots that you can set. You can do as many as you want. Now you've got 2 hands-free income streams generating profits 24/7. You just repeat that. You can set up dozens, as many as you want. You can rinse and repeat, set up as many as you want. That's one of the questions I get all the time. How many can I set up? Hundreds, even thousands if you want to, of automatic daily income streams. There really is no limit. Now, your WaveBot dashboard will track every single trade that WaveBot makes. This is a case study from a new campaign we launched 2 weeks ago. As you can see, today's profit was $1,590. Total profit over the past few weeks is about $8,800. Again, this is a brand new campaign. Hey, Adam, I was just thinking of something. Let me ask the audience, would you guys like to see WaveBot in action? Would you actually like me to go into my dashboard really quick? Say yes if you want to see that. Yeah, okay, we're getting a lot of yeses. Adam, I'm going to take control of the screen really quick. Hold on, I've got to actually switch it over to my screen here. So give me 1 second here. I'm going to show my screen here. Okay, you guys can see this here? Perfect. Okay, I'm going to show you a couple things here. Number one, I'm going to show you one of my WaveBot strategies that I've set up here in just the last 7 days. It's made $783 all on autopilot. Actually, let me refresh this so you can see this. $783. Oh, actually, hold on. We'll go 7 days here. Actually, $797. You can see the profit by pairs. You can see I made $46 on that crypto, $175 on that crypto, $161 on that crypto, $68, $154. Let me show you guys another interface here. Let's go ahead here. You can see all the completed WaveBot profits here. Oh, there's another one here. And the great thing about this is we're making money when it goes up or down. We're doing longs and shorts. So it doesn't matter. We don't really care if the market's going up or market's going down. We really don't care because we're making money both ways. Let me just kind of scroll down here so you guys can see this. $12.47, $23 cents. And these are all happening same day. Most of these are happening multiple times a day. So for example, here's Thorchain. Made $7.48 in the same day when it was going a short and a long. Okay, so multiple times we're just making money as it's going down. There's Bitcoin, MakerDAO, Bitcoin, Loom, Injector Protocol, Bitcoin, and so these are all profits that are just coming in every single day. Let me go ahead and turn the slides back over to you, Adam. There you go. You might have to share your screen again.
Perfect. Yes, let me do that. Okay, should be back on in a second here. Great. Awesome, Joel. Yeah, we're getting. I think a lot of people love to see that. Love to see WaveBot in action. Awesome stuff.
Awesome. So So here, let me go over this one here. Thank you guys for patience. Switching screens sometimes takes a minute. It looks like we've got a lot of excitement here. You guys want me to show you more case studies? I've got some more I can show you. Yes. Okay. Here's a campaign we started July 12th, and it's made $16,817 in profit. That's $227 per day. This campaign has now hit a run rate of $82,000 a year. Here's another campaign we started 75 days ago that's made $31,000 in profit. That's $433 per day. This campaign has now hit a run rate of $158,000 per year in total passive income. Now, I've already seen this question asked a whole bunch of times already, so I'm going to answer it for you right now. This is the question we get often, and you're wondering this right now. I know you are. How much capital do I need to start with? And the answer is any amount you want. You can start small, or you can start big. We recommend starting with at least $250 to $1,000. But the important thing is to get started and get those profits rolling in. You can always grow something small into something big. See, we've seen an average profit of about 0.5% to 1.25% daily. And that's incredible return, actually, because of the consistency. And this is every single day. One easy way to get an idea of how much you can make with this is this. For every $1,000 you put into WaveBot, we have seen an average of $5 to $10 or so in profit per day over time. And I just showed you some examples where we're getting higher than that. So we're trying to be very, very conservative here today. But to give you a better idea of how much you need to put in to make a certain amount back and so on, let's take the following. Let's say you start with $1,000. At a 1% average daily return, you would be making about $10 per day. So after 100 days or so, you would break even, and it would be about $300 per month in pure profit after that. Would it be worth it to watch a couple of instructional videos, click a few buttons on your mouse, and set up passive income streams that you didn't have to babysit? And a few months later, you were making $300 in profit every month with just that one bot. Raise your hand if you would like something like that. Now, remember, you can set up multiple income streams like this right out of the gates with WaveBot. You don't have to limit yourself. You can start 10, 20, 50, 100 income streams right away. Let me know how many of you guys would like to start. Let me know in the questions, how many income streams would you like to start? Let me give you some more examples here. Now, let's say you put $5,000 in. In that case, you're looking at about $50 a day or $18,250 per year. With a 10,000 initial investment, you're looking at about 100 per day income stream, or about 36,500 per year. Let me give you another example. And just for fun, let's look at some higher numbers. With a $50,000 initial investment, you're making 500 a day, or 182,500 per year. Let's keep going. And with 100,000 in principal, you're making 1,000 a day, or 365,000 per year. So I know we're getting up to some very big numbers here, but I want you to remember something. Just remember this. You can start small and build it into something big. And the one way to really accelerate that process is take advantage of something called compounding. Who here who's heard of compounding before? I bet you have. A lot of you have. Looks like a lot of you have. Type in yes if you've heard of that. Great. All right, great. Sounds like a lot of you have. So here's the deal with compounding. It's where you take all or part of your profits and put them back into your WaveBot. And you can do this on a daily basis or weekly basis as often as you want. Basically, the more often you do it, the greater the rewards will be. And frankly, this can be extremely powerful. We're talking exponential earnings growth here with very little extra effort. So don't underestimate the power of this technique. In fact, it was Einstein who referred to the compounding as the eighth wonder of the world, because he understood from a mathematical perspective how powerful it truly is. So I'm going to show you some numbers here, and these are on daily compoundings. 1,000 investment earning 1% and compounded daily would grow to $37,783 within a year. A 5,000 initial investment earning 1% per day and compounded every day would be worth $188,917 after a year. A 10,000 investment would be worth $377,000 after a year. And here's the good news. WaveBot will compound for you automatically if you choose. It's a simple setting you can toggle on or off. Who wants to toggle it on? Raise your hand if you want to toggle it on. I would toggle it on. Okay, so let's look at these numbers side by side. A 1,000 initial investment earning 1% daily will make about $3,650 per year, but compounding daily, that amount would be $37,783 per year. So basically 10x the amount that you would make if you did not compound. Your 5,000 initial investment, instead of $18,250, would be worth $188,000 after a year. All right, a 10,000 initial investment would be worth $377,000 after a year, rather than $36,000. See the difference, everybody? And then the numbers start to get very interesting after that. A 50,000 investment would be worth close to $2 million if you're compounding daily instead of 182,000. Now listen, don't be intimidated by these larger numbers, and don't worry if you don't have a lot of capital to start with. The purpose of sharing these numbers is to show you the potential of what's possible here. You just need to get started. So we have people from all over the world here, from all walks of life, who are making money with WaveBot in our program. We could devote another 3 hours, frankly, to just sharing all of our student success stories. We'll just share a few right now, but check it out. Scott, in his first week, he made $14.93 per day. It is on track to making over $5,000 this year so far. Brad is seeing similar results at $15.70 per day. He's hit a 5,700 year run rate. Brad, another Brad, you can see the numbers there: $533, $15, $486, $5,730. Mel B hit $21 per day and is on track to make $7,700 per year. Alexander, $598. You can kind of get an idea of like $11.52 per day. You can see his monthly there, about $4,204 per year. And that's just one bot. Just to be clear on that, Adele is on track to make $4,000 this year. You can see $11.13 per day. Add that up, it adds up over time. And we have many, many users as well who are making a lot more. Ophelia, for instance, is making close to $300 per day, is on track to making $96,000 this year. And this is passive income. You're just letting WaveBot do its thing and run all day in the background, locking in your profits. Congratulations, affiliate, $264 a day. That's about $96,000 per year. So listen, Adam, I think it's time to pass it back on to you because I know you have a lot more to share with us.
Awesome stuff. Thanks, Joel. Yeah, guys. So, you can see what's possible there with compounding. It is absolutely huge. It's something that's built into WaveBot, and that's what enables you to take a small amount of capital and compound it to grow it into something very, very large. So the key message here is don't worry if you don't have a lot of capital to get started with. Just put what you have available into WaveBot, let it run, let it compound, watch it grow. So big question, of course, is, can I do this too? I'm sure, a lot of people on this call are wondering that right now. And the answer, I hope you can see this, but I want to be very clear. The answer is yes, absolutely. And here's why. I'll give you very, very clear reasons for that. We have hundreds of successful users, and most of them have no prior experience with crypto or trading. There's no minimum initial investment required. You can start with any amount. Many people make money on their first day, which is awesome, right? We all want money to start rolling in fast. There's no technical experience required with this either. Don't worry, when you hear the word bot, that it's going to be something super technical. It's just literally a few mouse clicks to set this up. And you can do this from anywhere in the world. So, just imagine a few days from now having multiple income streams paying you every single day. That's what we're talking about here. You'll have an income source that you control, that you can scale to the level that you want. And we've talked about the path for doing that. Of course, you're going to learn exactly how to do this in the training, but again, it's just about adding more WaveBots, turning on that compounding toggle, letting your earnings compound. And if you want, add more principal. You can always add more principal to WaveBot. Maybe your savings, your bank account savings grows a little bit one week. You could take some of that if you want, put it into WaveBot. It's just going to compound. It's going to expand things even further. So, this is about quickly reaching an income level that eliminates financial stresses. That's what's possible. That's what we've put together here. So we really hope you can see the potential here. But here's the thing, WaveBot is really just the beginning. We've spent some time talking about it here today, and we wanted to show you what it's capable of, but it's just the beginning in terms of what we're going to be sharing. So we actually have an entire suite of money-making tools and training and support that we've designed to give you everything you need to maximize your earnings in crypto. This is the same suite of tools that we've used to earn millions of dollars in crypto and help thousands of people all over the world get life-changing results. And we want you to be the next success story. And we're absolutely certain you can do it. And so I'm pretty excited right now and proud as well to introduce the crypto code. This program is beyond incredible. It contains all of the most powerful tools and strategies that you need to start profiting in crypto and profiting quickly, and they're all in one place. It's an extremely comprehensive program. It's absolutely jam-packed with actionable tools and strategies that are going to make you money in crypto. And all of these benefits revolve around 4 core components that we're going to talk about in more detail here. WaveBot, our premium trade alerts, the crypto deep dive training, and the crypto mastermind, plus several massive recent upgrades that we'll tell you about shortly. This program contains the exact blueprint that we've used to make millions of dollars in crypto in both bull and bear markets. And you can follow this blueprint as well to achieve incredible results very, very quickly. We have members who are in the members area right now doing this as we speak. And you can start as a complete beginner. Or, if you're advanced, you have experience with crypto and trading, you're going to love this as well. So we've got 4 core components that I'm going to walk through here. The first is the WaveBot Toolkit. So this includes full access to the WaveBot software, plus 20 of our favorite coins to get started with. That's 20 individual income streams you can get up and running right away. You'll get step-by-step video training as well, which is going to show you exactly how to get up and running with WaveBot. And again, there's no technical experience required, none whatsoever. This is a point-and-click process, and the videos show you exactly what to do. Again, you can get set up and start making money as early as today if you take action. Next up is the Crypto Code University. This is the ultimate crypto training hub where you'll learn the most powerful strategies for profiting from the entire crypto ecosystem. It's a treasure trove of highly profitable techniques for both bull and bear markets. We have 92 in-depth video lessons spread across 3 groundbreaking courses that will take you from crypto newbie to expert. And of course, you can go through these courses at your own pace And we cover the full range of opportunities for profiting in crypto. I'll talk more about that in just a second. But this course is ultra comprehensive. It includes videos, downloads, and resources. If you're hungry to truly master crypto and transform insights into real results, you're going to love these training courses. We've got the Crypto Beginners course, where you'll learn the essentials and the fundamentals, including how blockchain works, how to send and receive crypto, how to open and fund an exchange account, how to keep your crypto safe, all of the basics, just in case you're just getting acquainted with crypto for the first time. This course is going to get you very comfortable and feeling very confident in the world of crypto. And the Crypto Masters course, that's where we start to move. And that's where you're going to discover the magic of the Bitcoin 4-year cycle. You'll learn when to buy, when to sell, and what strategies to use at any given time for best results. When you master the 4-year cycle, you master the game of wealth generation. This course is your blueprint for doing just that. And finally, the Crypto Trading Masters course. This is where you will become a seasoned crypto trading pro. This course teaches you the most effective crypto trading techniques and shows you exactly how to apply them via multiple real-world examples. We talk about and dive into the most profitable crypto trading setups that you see over and over again in the crypto charts, and the precise and proven blueprint for how to trade them for profit. And then we have component number 3, the Crypto Mastermind. This is an exclusive members-only community and support desk, well, it's much more than that. So what you're getting here ultimately is multiple avenues of assistance so that you can ask questions and get help from experts. And you can do that anytime, even if it's 3 a.m. We've got real-time support and coaching built into our forum. We've got a rapid response help desk where our team of experts are on call to help you with whatever you need. We've helped thousands of people make money in crypto, and we can help you get past any hurdles you're facing. Now, component number 4 deserves some special attention. It's absolutely huge. It takes everything we've been talking about on this presentation today to an entirely new level. And this is not something that we've talked about before publicly, because it's something that's been in the works that we've just put the final touches on. We've just started rolling it out to existing members. The results that people are already getting in the first week are absolutely astounding. And so you're the first to see this. And we're really, really glad you can make it today, because we've been really eager to share this with you. So let me ask, what do you think is the number one, and there's no wrong answers here, just whatever comes to mind. What do you think is the number one most profitable skill you can have when it comes to making money in crypto? Just drop your thoughts into the questions box. Okay, great responses. Sanders says patience. Chris says mindset. Tossin says trend. Yeah, these are all correct, but no one's gotten it quite yet. Great answers, guys. Yeah. So what I'm talking about is knowing when to buy and when to sell. Right? It's trading crypto. It's knowing how to trade. So imagine if you knew when to buy and when to sell crypto every single time. You would buy high and you would sell low over and over again, right? And you could even short the market, which means you could make money when prices dropped as well. But here's the thing. Most people, they just don't know how to trade. And learning how to trade, like we've talked about, it takes time and practice to start to see results. Now, of course, you can do it. Anyone can do it. We've got a whole course in the members area that's going to give you the blueprint for doing it, but not everyone has the time. Joel and I, we can tell you this from experience because we've been trading now for a combined 15 years or so. And, as is the case for everyone, things started out kind of slow for us, but we got through those initial learning hurdles. We kept practicing. And over the years, we got good. We got really good. In fact, we've made millions of dollars just trading crypto. And I don't say that to brag. It's just to inform you. Because what we're going to be talking about is going to help you a lot if you take advantage of it. So the point is, trading has been a core component of our overall approach when it comes to profiting with crypto for many years now. And so we put our heads together. We thought, okay, what can we do here? What's the ultimate solution that we can offer to help others get the results that we're getting and to get those results fast? What is a shortcut that we can give people? Because again, we know and we've seen not everyone has the time to become a good trader. And if you do have the time, that's great, but you still want to make money right now, right? And so we have a major shortcut for you here at the Crypto Code. It's going to enable you to tap into the incredible upside of trading crypto without having to learn how to trade yourself first. So that brings me to component number 4 of the crypto code, which we've just added, which are our premium trade alerts. So at root, these are copy-paste trade alerts delivered to you hot off the press multiple times per week. Each alert includes the exact entry, exit, take profit, and stop loss levels. These trades have an incredible track record of success, as you'll soon see, and there's absolutely zero trading experience required to implement these because it's copy-paste trading. We are giving you these trade setups. These are the trade setups that we execute ourselves. We have an incredible track record, which I'm going to show you our precise trade record in a second. So just like WaveBot, this is a money printer. So let's talk about why that's the case. So first off, as I said, implementing one of these alerts, it takes minutes. I want to just show you how simple this is. All you do is you take an alert when it comes into your account, you take that alert and you paste the information into a crypto exchange, you let the orders fill, and you lock in your profits. And of course, we show you exactly how to do that in the video instructions. Now, here's where things get really interesting. So let me just ask you just a fun question. What do you think our win rate is with these alerts? If you had to put a percentage on it, what do you think our win rate is at the moment? This is of course, good guesses. All right. BU says, okay, 80%. Tosin says 10%. John says 60%. Yeah, we've got Santiago says 70%. Elise says 60%. Okay. So listen, after issuing 154 alerts over a period of 4 months, our current win rate stands at 84%. Now, this is huge. Anyone who's traded any kind of asset before would look at this figure and their jaw would drop. And in a moment, what I'm going to do is actually translate this percentage into dollars so that you can actually see what this means for you in terms of making money with these alerts. I think you're going to be really blown away by that and by what you're about to see here. But first, I just want to pull up our track record. We track every single alert issued in this spreadsheet that you see here. Now, I'm not going to walk through exactly what all these columns are right now. That would just waste your time. I want to get to the essence of this. So you're going to get access to this trade record in the members area. What I want to just point out right now is that this trade record is updated. The numbers are updated automatically. 154 trades, 117 wins, and only 22 losses, and a win rate of 84%. All right, so there it is. Now, here's the other thing. This is our average return per trade broken down by month. So as you can see, 13.74% was the average return per trade in May. It's the average return per trade. 26.81% in June, 15.7% in July, 6% in August. Don't think we've calculated September yet, but our overall average return per trade at the moment, 11.7%. That's on average. Now, it's important to see these numbers and understand what these numbers mean, because what they mean is that it's very, very hard to lose with these alerts, and the earnings potential is massive. So in other words, it's really hard not to make money with these. And to show you exactly why this is the case, how this is the case, we ran some numbers. So here's what we did. We used a randomizer tool to randomize our entire trade record. Then we took 10 totally random trades, totally random, in May, June, July, and August. So we had a completely unbiased set of trades, totally random set of trade alerts. And we set that aside. And then we said, okay, let's say someone was starting out with a $500 budget, a $500 hypothetical starting budget. We said, okay, if someone started with a $500 investing budget and they put that investing budget into 10 totally random premium trade alerts per month, totally random, what would happen? So here is what would happen. If you had invested $500 into a totally random premium trade alert set up in May, and then you did that 9 more times throughout the month, reinvesting your profits along the way, had you done this, you would have ended the month with a portfolio value of $1,811. So that's almost a 4x from where you started. Now, let's say that you've got your new portfolio value, you've basically quadrupled it. Let's say that you took that and invested in 10 random premium trade alert setups in June and reinvested your profits along the way. Now, again, this is based on historical data. This is what happened. So you would have ended the month with a portfolio value of $4,457. So not bad at all, right? Well, here's where it gets interesting. If you had taken your $4,457 and repeated the process in July, you would have ended the month with a portfolio value of $25,887. And now we're talking, right? But get this, repeating the process in August of 2023, which was the month with the lowest average return, your portfolio still would have grown to a whopping $38,963. So overall, we went from $500 to $38,963 in just 4 months. That is a 78x return over 4 months from copying and pasting random ready-made trade alerts into a crypto exchange. Now, of course, these aren't just any old alerts. We've been, again, Joel and I and our team have been practicing and mastering trading for a combined 15 years now. But that's ultimately all you need to do is just take these alerts that we provide. We research, discover the trade setups, copy and paste them into an exchange. Where else are you going to find something like that? So that's the power of these alerts. And by the way, those numbers I just shared, those are without any leverage. Now, don't worry if you don't know what leverage is. Long story short, leverage is a setting that you can toggle on an exchange that will magnify your profits considerably. Now, these premium trade alerts, they have a leverage option that you can use if you want. And of course, we show you how to harness leverage in the trading, but you don't have to. Again, those numbers I just showed, and you don't frankly need to. Those numbers I just shared were without leverage, but you turn on even just a little bit of leverage, and the results magnify considerably. The returns would be much, much larger. So yeah, we can go into that on a different webinar. Again, it's optional. You don't have to use it, but it's very, very powerful and something that you can harness if you want to. Students are crushing it with these alerts as we speak. Jared has turned, for instance, $28 into a quick $1,800 in profit. Brian turned $100 into $600 for an instant 6x return. We like to show you that students are getting results. We're not sharing this to boast or brag. We want to show you that people are actually doing this right now and actually getting these exact results. We didn't, these members volunteered this information as well because they're making a ton of money and they're excited about it. Wendy turned $33 into $2,300 for a 70x return. Jared turned $450 into about $9,000. And we have many, many additional members who have shared their results with us. Mark saw a 50% return from investing in just one of the premium trade alerts. Stefan is up 3x on his investment. Robert more than doubled his money. And the list goes on. Alfred turned 250 into 5,200. Chris made 499% on one alert. Scott saw a 3x move on his position. And again, we could share 20, 30 more slides of results like this, but we do have to move on. I hope you can see that, this is an ultra comprehensive program. Literally, it's got everything you need to start making money with crypto immediately. Again, anyone can do this. Even if you're only able to fit in a few hours here and there, you can still start making money with this fast. And you don't have to have a lot to get started with to turn it into something substantial. Now, again, I keep saying this, but we're just getting started. We've got a lot more to talk about that we haven't mentioned yet. The crypto code extends far beyond what we've covered at this point. So let's get into all of the extra goodies you're going to get. So as a member, you're going to get a free all-access pass to Crypto Secrets. This is our live annual event. This is 3 days of exclusive live sessions with insider trading tactics and strategies, where you're going to hear from expert speakers who have made millions of dollars in crypto. You're going to learn a host of cutting-edge strategies for making money in crypto that you won't hear anywhere else. You're going to learn proven step-by-step methods for building true generational wealth in crypto. We're going to share our playbook for that. The very first time I used the word generational wealth was after I got involved in crypto. I didn't know generational wealth was in the cards for me until I got involved in crypto. So we don't use that word lightly, but crypto is a vehicle that can take you there, that can help you achieve that. It's the real deal. So when we say we're going to give you our playbook for that, that's a big deal. And of course, we're going to be sharing the exact crypto investments we're making right now to position us for major returns. And there's lots of personal interaction with Joel, with myself, with other attendees and the other experts there as well. So You're going to come away from this armed with a treasure trove of secrets and strategies and a true edge. You're going to leave the event feeling inspired and excited, equipped with a wealth of knowledge, and you're going to be able to make more money in crypto right out of the gate. Now, this event may be either in person in the US or it might be virtual. It just depends on what's going to be best for everyone. And whatever we decide, we'll be letting you know well ahead of time so that you can make any necessary plans if you do want to attend. Now, here's the thing. If you're unable to come to the event, don't worry. We have a solution for you. And I'll actually get to that in just a second, because if you become a Crypto Code member today, you're going to get access to 5 very special exclusive bonuses. These are very limited, though they do require that you take action today. Bonus number 1 is the Crypto Secrets Bootcamp recordings. So as long as you jump in today, you will get all of the recordings of the live event, so you'll be able to watch them from the comfort of your own home. You'll also get access to the VIP Portfolio Pass. This is exclusive access to Joel and my personal crypto portfolio. So you'll be able to see exactly which coins we're holding at any given time and how much. You'll get real-time alerts when we buy or sell coins in the portfolio. This is going to take all the guesswork out of picking high-quality, medium and long-term crypto investments, because we've done all the research already. So if you'd like, you can follow along, you can mirror our portfolio, and you can profit with us heading into the next bull run. Now, this portfolio is a little bit different from the trade alerts. The trade alerts are short-term, quick turnover profits that you stack. This is more of a buy and hold, medium-term trading portfolio. Both are very, very valuable in and of themselves. Bonus number 3 are the Power Indicators bundle. We're going to go into this in a bit of detail here. We're going to show you one of these indicators in just a second. But we've talked a lot on this webinar today about the challenges of buying low and selling high. Again, it's just not how the human brain is wired. The Power Indicators bundle is yet another tool we have for you that solves this problem. What it is it's a set of powerful custom TradingView indicators that tell you exactly when to buy and sell crypto for maximum gains. It includes 7 indicators that we personally use in our trading for ultimate accuracy. You can use them, again, to trade any crypto successfully. They eliminate guesswork, uncertainty, and bad decisions based on emotion. Simply follow the indicator signals to buy low, sell high, and lock in profits. Joel, did you want to talk a bit about the TCC trend?
Yeah, let me go ahead and do that. Listen, hold on one second. I get on the right slide here. Yeah. Okay. Here's how the TCC trend works. Let me back up here and get up here. I was answering some questions, Adam.
All good.
We're taking a look here at the Bitcoin chart. Can you guys all see that there? Okay. We have the indicator up here on the screen. This is the TCC trend indicator. And again, you can use this on any crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, anything. So load it up here. Let me show you how it works here. When you see a red ribbon start to form on the chart, it means that we're in a downtrend. And so you would just wait at this point and wait until the ribbon flips to gray. As you can see here, that means we're going to have a trend change. Once that happens, you're going to see gray up arrow appear eventually on the chart. And that's what we call the TCC trend money arrow. Remember that, the money arrow. We love the money arrow. When you see the arrow, it's time to buy because the trend has changed. Now, you're going to ride that ribbon up, and you might have the skills or timing to sell right at the top of the market. It's really hard to time the top exactly, and that's not what our goal is here. But you don't need to time the top. That's the beauty of this strategy. Just wait until the green ribbon turns gray again, and that's your sell signal. That's it. Or if you want, you could wait until the down money arrow flashes, and you could sell at this point instead if you wanted. So let's say you had purchased, I'll give you some examples here. Let's say you had purchased 1 Bitcoin at $4,000, which is where our first buy arrow flashed. If you had sold at the top, you would have made about $10,000 in profit. If you sold right when the green ribbon flipped gray, you'd have made about $6,500. If you sold a little bit later, when the down arrow flashed, you would have made $5,500. It's that simple, guys. And again, the TCC trend and all of the power indicators for that matter work on any crypto. Here's another one. Here's a chart for Binance coin. Check this out. Let's say you bought this coin when the gray up arrow flashed there on the screen, you'd have gotten it at $21. And if you followed that indicator signal, you'd have made a return of anywhere about 13x to 33x. So if you had invested $1,000 initially at $21 per coin, you would have $33,000 if you sold at the top, $22,000 if you sold when the green ribbon first flipped to gray, and $13,000 if you waited until the gray down arrow flashed. And again, TCC trend is just one of the 7 indicators. When you start to combine the power indicators together, you unlock a range of additional strategies. You get more insight and precision when you're making your trades. It really helps you know when to buy and when to sell. We could do a whole webinar on just these indicators. They're super powerful, but we need to move on. All right. You want me to do this one, Adam, or you?
Yeah, go for it, Joel.
Okay, I love this one because earlier on I said, we have so much training in our program. We set out to be the top education portal in the world for crypto. But I said to Adam one day, I said, Adam, we need to have fast start trainings. So we created these fast start trainings. So we know your time is important, and we know it is important to you to see quick results fast. And that's why I said, Adam, we need to have fast start training. And that's why we created a series of fast start training courses that will help you get up and running and into profit fast. You'll receive step-by-step quick start video training for our most powerful and popular features, including WaveBot, the premium trade alerts, and the power indicators. Members are raving about this training because it makes everything simple and quick. It's newbie friendly, easy to get through, and will save you a ton of time. Bonus number 5 has been in production for over 12 months. I'm so excited about this. It's called WaveBot Dex, and it's slated for release soon to the members only. Only our members will have this, and promises to be one of our most powerful tools in the Crypto Code suite. It's the world's first automated decentralized crypto trading platform. This gives you the ultimate crypto privacy and security. Unlike centralized exchanges, the crypto you trade stays in your private wallet. It also means greater profit potential. Some of the most profitable crypto investments aren't listed on centralized exchanges. WaveBot Dex unlocks the world of decentralized exchanges. It's going to give you access to the full spectrum of tokens available for trading. Now, ultimately, it combines the intelligence of the original WaveBot with the benefits of decentralization, making it incredible value in maximizing your passive income in crypto. Only our mastermind members will get this, and it's going to be amazing. Plus, I love this. This is one of my favorite things to do. We give away a total of $2,000 in crypto every single month, and we've given away over $52,000. It's actually a lot higher than that. We just haven't updated the slide so far in crypto. We have these monthly contests for our members. They're not random drawings. You can win every single month. In fact, we have some winners that have won for multiple months in a row, and our top winner has taken over $7,000. Plus, well, here you go, Adele. Yeah, she made $1,000 winning our research contest. We have winners every month. We post about it in our members area. It's super, super exciting and super easy to get into that contest every month. So this program requires absolutely no experience. I want you to remember that. We provide all the training, the tools, and the resources that you need to succeed. If you can read and watch, you're good to go. And if you're in control, dive into the whole program, or just start with WaveBot or the premium trade alerts, and you can go from there. This opportunity is perfect for those who want a low-risk, high-profit techniques for making money with crypto. People looking for a realistic and proven way to supplement or even replace their existing income. Who wants to replace their existing income? Raise your hand if that's you. Anyone looking for greater freedom or less stress in their lives, those who want to take things a step further and build true generational wealth for their families.
Yes, indeed. And Joel and I have spent over 20 years combined helping thousands of people start and grow income streams online. And we've seen that when people succeed in doing so, it can give them unlimited family time, a secure retirement. By the way, how much money do you need for that? Would the combination of WaveBot and the premium trade alerts making, say, $200 per day on average, would that be decent for a secure retirement? I think for most people it probably would. or the chance to be your own boss and work from home without an alarm clock. You get to wake up and see your kids multiple times per day. And you can give your kids the opportunities you never had. Look, the bottom line is you get the financial freedom you've always wanted, the location freedom to live where you want, and the time freedom to live life on your terms. This is a rare and exclusive invitation to join us and finally achieve the financial goals that you've had in mind. The actual value of everything you're receiving here is huge. It's bigger than anything we've put together in the past. If you were to add up the value of the individual core components, you get to $15,985. And we've got these extras for you as well. The Crypto Secrets live event recordings, the VIP Portfolio Pass, Power Indicators Bundle, the Fast Start Training, WaveBot decks. The extras alone have got a value of $7,485. The total value of the crypto code and everything that we've packaged up for you here today is $23,470. And if you consider that we have members on track to make 6 figures per year with just WaveBot alone, not to mention the extra income they'll be making with the other tools and strategies, or how just one of our WaveBot accounts is making $500 per day, or how members are making hundreds or thousands of dollars over and over again with the premium trade alerts. You can see how valuable this really is. Again, it's far more valuable than anything we've put together before. Now, there is a critical limitation in that we can only accept a small number of people into this program. The coaching and support take time, and we need to preserve the value of WaveBot, the trade alerts, and the other tools and strategies we share in the program. So we have a strict max number of members that we can let in. This is immensely valuable. That said, you won't pay $23,470. You won't pay $14,997. You won't pay $9,997. $4,997. If all this does is help you set up a $100 per day passive income stream, would it be worth paying $4,997 for? If all this does is help you pay off your debts and live more comfortably in the months and the years to come, would it be worth $4,997? If all this does is allow you to quit your day job and spend more time doing what you enjoy, would it be worth a $4,997 investment? Hopefully you can see that it would. What you're getting here today is beyond cutting edge. It's far beyond anything else you'll see out there and far beyond what we've put together before. The value really is enormous, but you won't pay $4,997. You won't even pay $2,997. The regular price for complete access to the crypto code is just $2,497 plus $197 per month. However, you can get access for much less than that today. We actually have a huge discount for you today. Listen, we want to continue to build a community at the crypto code where everyone's inspired to take action and to achieve their goals. So here's the deal we have for you today. If you agree to post a testimonial about the training or about your first win, we'll give you a $500 off coupon code. This will be auto-applied on the checkout page, plus a 50% discount on the monthly subscription. This means that you can get complete access today for just $1,997 plus $97 per month. All right, so major discount here. To lock that in, just follow the steps that you see on the screen. Step 1 is to go to the link shown below at the bottom of the slide. You'll see it there on the screen. If you're not looking at the screen, make sure to tune into the screen now. So go to that link, make your investment. You'll get immediate access to the crypto code, and you can get started right away. And just to be clear, you know, we get this question sometimes about the cost. So the $1,997 one-time fee, this covers access to the Crypto Code University, that wealth of training that we provide in the members area. That training is immensely valuable. The $97 per month recurring fee, that covers the ongoing coaching, the trade alerts, portfolio access, software access, including maintenance and upgrades. And by the way, you can cancel this recurring fee if you'd like at any time. You would just not have access to those features anymore if you did that. So,
hey, Adam, real quick, just let me ask everyone, can you guys all go click on that link and make sure that link is working? Type in a yes if that link is still working. Click on that link and let me know. I just dropped it into the chat. I want to make sure it's working. Okay, back over to you. Let me know if you guys have any issues with that link.
Awesome, yeah, and we just want to be clear about this too, that this discount is extremely limited. You know, we will be raising the price of this program back to its normal level very soon. The value is just too high. Word has spread about what we're offering here. We have people who are literally banging down the door to get into this program. We get emails practically every day begging from people begging us to open up new spots. So if you want to get in at the best possible price, now is the time to jump in. Now, a quick word about refunds. There are no refunds for the crypto code if you don't take action. But if you are an action taker, we're willing to take on all the risk. So we're pretty excited to announce our double your money back guarantee. And here's how this works. We'll give you an entire 12 months to get major results with this program. And if you don't at least double your initial training investment inside that 12 months, we'll give you double your initial training investment back as our way of apologizing to you for wasting your time. So the total refund in this case would be $3,994. That's how confident we are that you're going to succeed with this. We would be crazy otherwise to offer this, and we didn't know you were going to succeed with this. Now, you'll need to follow the program without deviation for this refund. You'll need to complete all the core training, remain active each week in the forums, keep a detailed trading log, and put at least $250 into your bots and let those run for 12 months. But we know that if you follow this program as it is intended, you're not going to even think about getting a refund. So we want to motivate you to follow the program, but we also want to give you a safety net so that you can move forward here with complete peace of mind. So bottom line, if you're an action taker, you literally have zero risk here. The fact is, we want to change your life. We don't want anything preventing you from giving this a try. You literally have nothing to lose and everything to gain, but you do need to take action now. Don't wait any longer to sign up. Spaces will fill up fast, and they're only available on a first-come, first-served basis. And when they're taken, that's it. There'll be a sold-out sign on the site. No one else will be able to come in, so you do need to move fast. Remember, this is a once-in-a-generation opportunity. We don't say that lightly. It far surpasses any financial opportunity we've ever seen before by leaps and bounds. And to have a program like this that shows you how to take full advantage of this opportunity from every angle is very rare and very special. So if you want to be part of this, if this is calling to you, don't wait. Head over to the link that you see on the screen there and sign up. And we really want to emphasize this. You don't want to wait even one more day to register because you are risking letting your spot go to someone else. This is not some kind of false scarcity, by the way. This is just a reality. You also risk letting a technical issue, life in general, or anything else get in your way. But right now, you're with us, you're listening to this, you've got the opportunity to jump in, but you need to do it soon because once spots are full, that's it. The doors close and no one else is let in until new spots open up, which often isn't for a very long time. You can see the link on the screen there. That's where to go to lock in your spot. Now, good news for anyone who's joined already. Good news as well if you're thinking about joining, as long as you get in soon. We have two special fast action bonuses for you today. These are for the first 25 people to join here today. So let's go through what these are. Special fast action bonus number one is a free crypto hardware wallet shipped to your door. So, it's a really good idea to store your long-term crypto on a hardware wallet where it's safe. Now, of course, you will be keeping some crypto on an exchange for wave bought and trading, but for long-term holdings, coins that you're planning to hold for maybe years, you want to keep those on a hardware wallet where only you have access. So again, we're going to ship a quality hardware wallet straight to your door so that your crypto is safe and secure. And of course, in the members area, we show you how to use this, use these wallets as well. So that's fast action bonus number one. A crypto hardware wallet shipped to you. Also, if you're one of the first 25 people to join the crypto code today, you're going to get access to a special report that we've just finished writing called the top 25 altcoin gems for the next bull run. So we have hand selected 25 altcoins that we believe have exceptional potential. These are quality projects that have staying power, that are attracting real investments. We think these coins have 10x, maybe even 1,000x potential in the upcoming bull market. That's why we're buying them right now. Now is actually as well the best time to get in on some of these tokens because crypto's it's down right now, but we're getting closer and closer to the next bull market. So now's the time to start dollar cost averaging into the coins you're going to learn about in this report to position yourself for significant gains ahead. Remember, millionaires are made in bear markets, not bull markets, bear markets, because that's when you can buy at bargain prices. That's where crypto's at right now. So What I need you to do right now is just comment "I'm in" or "in process" in the chat box so that we can add your name to the Fast Action bonus group so that you get a free crypto wallet and a copy of the top 25 altcoin gems report. What we do is we will match up the comments here that come through with we'll match the comments that come in here with a spreadsheet that we're tracking on this end to make sure that you do get that things are tracked properly and you do get your bonuses. Great. Steve is in. Tosin is in process. Paul is in. Connie is in. Alex is in. Great. Awesome, guys. Yeah, keep posting, letting us know when you've joined. Now, we're going to get to some Q&A in a second. We've seen a lot of excellent questions come in today. We'll be getting to those in just a second. But first, I want to just go into one of the most common questions that we get. I want to just address this ahead of time, which is, again, how much capital, how much starting capital do I need to make money with this program? And let me go into this in detail. I want you to be really clear on this. So the short answer, again, is any amount you want. Again, the tools at the Crypto Code are designed to help you turn something small into something large, and they do just that. So let me share a couple of examples. So we shared earlier how putting just $1,000 into WaveBot with automatic compounding could equate to almost $40,000 per year in totally passive income. We demonstrated how just $500 in starting capital could be turned into about $40,000 in a few months with the premium trade alerts. We've shown multiple examples of students who have used the indicators and the trade alerts to turn a few bucks into literally thousands of dollars, some of them with just one trade. Now that said, okay, for those looking for a specific number, then we would recommend this. We recommend at least $250 in total starting capital, okay? That would be a great amount to start with. You don't need to start with any more than that. But, you know, this is just a recommendation. And I want to emphasize this. You can get started with less than that and still do extremely well. And I want to share an example of that. Remember earlier, I showed you how taking action on those 10 random premium trade alerts each month could equate to a 78x gain over a 4-month period? Yeah, great. Yeah, and in that example, we turned $500 into almost 40K. Well, let's say you did the same thing, but with only $100. Let's say you started the Crypto Code today with just $100. Well, by month 4, you'd have close to $8,000. By month 3, you'd have paid for your Crypto Code membership and then some. So that's with just $100 in starting capital, using only the premium trade alerts. Again, you have access to so much earning power within the program, as we've shown today. So $250 in starting capital, that'll definitely go a long way. It's a great minimum amount to start with. So I hope that answers that question. Before we jump into Q&A, quick note, we do have a financing option for joining the Crypto Code. So we do have pay over time financing. Now this is only available if you live in the US, and if you do choose this option, the overall cost of the program is higher, but you can, in this case, pay in monthly installments. You can pay in monthly installments of $231. So you can find out more about that on the order page below. Just go to the link that you see there on the screen. That is an option for you as well. Okay, so
let's. Hey, thank you, Adam. Hey, by the way, congratulations, all of you that have just joined. Amazing. I see several people that just joined. Congratulations. So let's do this. We'll do some questions, right? You guys want some questions? Answered.
Yeah,
right.
Perfect.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's actually let's read some of the names of people that are jumping in. Hold on. Let me look here really quick. We've got Cindy. Welcome, Cindy. Just joined us. And who's this? Steve. Hey, Steve out in Utah. You're not too far from me, Steve. Welcome. And we've got Brock out in California. Welcome, Brock. You are here, and I see several other people inside the cart right now filling out their order forms. So congratulations. And gosh, looks like we have 25 people looking like they're filling out the order form right now. So this is going to go pretty quick, guys. Make sure after you've joined to come back to the chat box and type in "I'm in." What we do later is we download the chat log, and then we can manually assign the access to those additional fast action bonuses. So we want to make sure that you guys get that. Awesome. So orders are flying in. You guys have made the right choice. Excited for you. Adam, I know we have hundreds of questions all actually that have come in and rolled in. Do you want to take a few moments and answer the common ones that you've seen pop up here and now? Because we've had a lot of the same questions asked over and over.
Yeah, sounds good. So what I'll do here is just pick the ones that look common and like they will add the most value to everyone as a group here. So here's a question: can WaveBot get saturated?
Nope, not at all. It cannot, because there are billions of dollars in volume that go through these cryptos every day with WaveBot. We're just really taking cents and dollars out, and it's like a drop in the bucket. But we do that drop thousands of times a day.
Perfect. And does WaveBot ever lose a trade?
Not very often, because of the way it's designed. Occasionally, you'll see a trade come back at a loss of a few cents when the market has a large and unexpected wick right down at the bot, as the bot places the sell order, but it's very rare. Great question.
Great. And a couple people have asked, what experience do I need to do this?
You do not need any experience. If you were able to figure out how to get yourself on this webinar, you can do this. If you can read and point and click with your mouse, you can do this. I know every single person watching this right now can do this. I know you can.
Perfect. And can I do this if I don't know anything about crypto?
Absolutely. We're going to teach you everything you need to know in the program.
And can I do this from XYZ country?
Answer is yes, you can do it from the country you're in.
Perfect. Now here's an interesting question. A couple of people have asked, if this works so well, why are you sharing it with others? Why not just do this yourself?
This is what I love. I love this question because we do this ourselves and we make great money. We have a passion for teaching and helping others. Both Adam and I have independently owned online education companies since the early 2000s, teaching and sharing our knowledge. It's really something that we love to do, and we have a combined 15 years of experience in crypto, and we feel we're in a unique position because we help others achieve success. Listen, Adam and I are always getting on talking about our trades. Like, we do what we teach. We're trading along with you. We're setting up our WaveBots with you, and you'll get to see that in the members area. We do really well with our own trading. So, all right, great question. I love that question.
Perfect, and a good question here. A question about the billing. So this person's asking, can you remind me why there is a recurring monthly fee for the program?
Yes, the $1,997 entry fee that covers access to all of your Crypto Code University training, the deep dive training courses. The recurring monthly fee covers access to the ongoing coaching, trade alerts, portfolio access, software access, including all the maintenance and upgrades. People love it.
Perfect. And another question, are there any other additional costs I need to know about?
Yes, you're going to need a 3 commas account and a TradingView account to run WaveBot. We'll show you how to get those. You can get an account from 3 commas for as low as $25 a month and trading for about as low as $30 per month, and all of them offer free trials. You're going to need these tools, and these tools are what are going to help you make money.
Perfect. And here's a great question, and probably something others are wondering as well. How long is all of this going to last?
As long as crypto exists. I love this question. And crypto exchanges exist, this will last. Crypto has really gone mainstream in the last few years. It's getting bigger and bigger, and there's really no turning back at this point with crypto. It's really here to stay, and right now, listen to me closely, right now is the time to get in. Right now. Not when crypto's pumping and going green and going crazy. Right now is the time, everybody.
Exactly. And then a question here, a couple of people have asked, how much time will I need to spend doing this to actually start seeing results?
That's a great question. It's really up to you. There's so much value that you'll be able to unlock at the Crypto Code, and you get to pick and choose where you want to put your focus in terms of maybe you want to do WaveBot. Once you've gone through the training and follow the steps, it's really much more involved, except for, just checking your bots once in a while. You learn how to do it. You set up your bots, you check them every once in a while. You don't need to babysit them. Many people are going to get WaveBot going in 1 to 4 days. After that, the maintenance is very low. In terms of the premium trade alerts, these have been very, very popular. Those might take you 1 to 2 hours per week to implement. In terms of the power indicators, you can use those as much or as little as you want. It's going to really depend on how often you want to actively make your own trades. Now, in terms of Crypto Code University, you can go through those courses at your own pace and implement those strategies that you learn as you see fit. The thing about crypto, though, is that it can be really fun. You might find yourself spending a lot of time with the program simply because you're enjoying it and you want to amplify your results even further. But this program is designed to get you to results fast, to get results quickly. So the average person, you really don't need to spend more than a few hours per week on this once you get going. You may choose to spend more time. That's going to be up to you, but you don't need to make that decision right now. I would say let things evolve naturally as you get going with the program.
Perfect. Awesome. Hey, Joel, I know there are more questions, and we can keep answering those behind the scenes, but I really wanted to highlight a few more important things here as people are making decisions and deciding whether to jump in. And again, congratulations, and thank you to everyone who has joined already. Man, you are in for the ride of your life. This really is the opportunity of a lifetime. We are so excited to have you here and to be able to share these tools and these strategies with you. And I just want to share some more success stories and just talk about what this can do for you. This can give you a life of freedom. It really can. That's why we're here talking about it. And it can get you there fast. And whether that's spending more time with family or just doing things that you like to do or traveling to beautiful places around the world, which I personally had the opportunity myself to do over the past few years. It's been exciting for me. I've been waiting a long time to do that. It doesn't matter. And, it might just be something really simple for you, like paying off your mortgage or buying a car for your daughter or something. But whatever you want to achieve, this can do it because it gives you the ability to make substantial gains in crypto consistently without all the risk and without the extended learning curve that everybody else has to take, pulling from different sources, going on Twitter and Reddit and trying to piece together this maze of crypto. You're going to find crystal clarity all in one place, plus these tools that have been developed over the course of years that are crushing it already as we speak for members. You're going to see as soon as you get to the members area, go to the success stories corner. You'd like to get an injection of motivation and good feelings because that's what's in store here. So and also, even if you think you've missed your opportunity, you haven't. Joel and I have been in crypto for many years now, but crypto is still really new from a big picture perspective. So don't let the mainstream news fool you about it. You're still here very early. Crypto is starting to go mainstream, but in the grand scheme of things, that doesn't mean anything. You're still very early to this. The opportunity is still huge. You have not missed the boat. And don't forget, we've got our double your money back guarantee. Again, this is our way of giving you a safety net with this program, but also to let you know that you don't need one if you simply take action and follow the instructions in the program. Regardless of what you've done in the past, we know you can succeed with this. It's just a matter of following the steps. We're going to make sure you cross the finish line and get your first passive income coming in with WaveBot. Again, most people get their first WaveBot set up within a day, and then you can start to scale rapidly from there with WaveBot, as well as the additional tools and resources available to you in the program. Regular people are getting life-changing results. That's Chris at the top there who says, my most recent investment went from $800 to $8,000. This will be the greatest investment you'll make. Logan says my $100 turned into $34,000 almost instantly. This is 100% tried and tested. Here are more success stories we haven't spoken about. People who are using this system and crushing it. Sylvia says, I've been able to grow my profit to about $650 per week. Wesley made $84 in his first 7 days. These are real people getting real results with this program. And you can absolutely be next, but you need to take that leap of faith. Now it's your turn to do that. Now it's your turn to make this your breakthrough year. This is the time to forget about what's happened in the past and to focus on what's happening right now and the massive opportunity that's right in front of you. This is an example of how you can just let the current take you. So instead of battling against the current, trying all sorts of other things and not getting anywhere, and ultimately making things more difficult than they need to be, which we all do sometimes, just make it simple. Jump on what's working right now. So what we want you to do here today, and what we really want you to do, ultimately is to make an informed decision. So we want you to make a fully informed decision about both crypto itself and about the crypto code. So many people who might have otherwise had great success with crypto, they turn away from it because of what they hear in the news. The news loves to hate on crypto, or they hear their friends or family criticizing crypto, so they don't want to get involved and look like the black sheep. And so they think, well, crypto isn't for me. It's too volatile, or they'll make up some other excuse. But you have to ask yourself, how informed are the people who are saying those things? And do they really have the full picture? Mainstream news outlets were also bashing on the personal computer and the internet when they first hit the scene. So that says a lot. And, sure, there are always people who lose when it comes to investing. Crypto is no different. But crypto is not bad just because it's the new kid on the block. It's actually because it's new that the opportunity is so big. So we need to zoom out and look at the big picture. Bitcoin was at zero just over a decade ago, and look at where it is now. The fact is, crypto has been very, very good to many thousands of people, ourselves included. We've made life-changing money in it. Many of our students have made life-changing money. When you enter the world of crypto armed with the knowledge and the tools you're going to get inside the crypto code, then there's nothing that can stop you. You just have a massive opportunity in front of you to change your life. But here's the thing, you can't make a fully informed decision until you get inside and use the program and verify for yourself that it's just as valuable, just as impactful as we say it is. And if it is, then you keep it. But don't walk away without giving it a try first. Don't walk away from something that could, frankly, revolutionize your life and the lives of those you care about. We have the double your money back guarantee in place for this very reason. It's because we know you'll be successful if you follow the program. We don't want anything to stop you from giving it a try and seeing those results for yourself, seeing it work firsthand. That's what you really need to do. The next thing that a lot of you were saying in the questions box, and it's obvious, I get it, it's a big investment. And it may be the biggest investment you've considered making for some time. Access to this is $1,997 plus $97 per month. And for a lot of people, the knee-jerk reaction is just to think you can't afford it. But that's not always true. It is $1,997 to get in the door. And I know you'll find a way to scrape together $1,997 if you want it badly enough. It's about how badly you want it. For example, if you found out that you had to pay $1,997 today, otherwise your arm would fall off, well, you'd find a way to scrape together $1,997. You'd find a way. So the real question is, are you willing to do what it takes to jump in? Now, again, at the risk of repeating myself, I think our double your money back guarantee speaks volumes about where we're coming from and how confident we are that you're going to succeed with this. Again, if you don't at least double your training investment inside of 12 months and you have implemented the program fully, we'll not only return your initial investment, but we'll double it, your initial training investment. So listen, we're putting you in a win-win situation. So as long as you follow this proven system that we've laid out for you, you can't come out of this in a bad way. There's only upside. We're protecting you not just 100%, but 200% here. Look, in life, if you do nothing, then nothing changes, right? Everything stays the same. Actually, things don't stay the same. Things tend to get worse when you do nothing, because the longer you do nothing, the worse you sort of become. But you have an opportunity to take action here today, to put yourself in a position to succeed, and that's what you need to do here today. But first, you need to find a way to get in. That's all you need to worry about right now, is finding a way to get in. So take action, sign up, and type "I'm in" the chat box or "in process," and we'll add you to the list of 25 people who get everything that we've talked about here today, plus those 2 fast track bonuses. Now, another thing people sometimes say is, I don't have time. So for those of you who haven't signed up but can afford it, perhaps one of the things you're thinking about is time. And that's good, because money can be replenished, but time can't. Time's gone forever. It's always ticking by. You can't get it back. But here's what I know about you and your time. I know that you'll make time for things that are worthwhile. In fact, you're here spending time right now. How long? We're close to 2 hours into this workshop, so I know you have some time. Time is one thing that is given to each and every person, but It's not how much time you have, it's what you do with it. It's about how you prioritize. And look, most of the strategies of the crypto code take almost no time at all. Others, you can decide how much time you want to spend. With WaveBot, you can get it up and running inside of a day. It might take you an hour or two per week to check on your bots. That's nothing. Nothing, really. You're buying and selling crypto with the premium trade alerts, we're talking minutes per week, not even hours, minutes per week. The other strategies, those are up to you. Actively trading with the premium indicators, watching the training, getting into the other avenues for making money and compounding your money with crypto, like staking and DeFi, setting up different portfolios. You can do all of that as much or as little as you want. That will evolve naturally as you get into the program. But the elements that you get access to that work fast, they work fast. So, and they don't take a lot of time to maintain. So we're looking at maybe 1 to 2 hours per week minimum that you need to spend with this, and the rest is up to you. And I know that you can find 1 or 2 spare hours per week. If you can't, then this opportunity probably isn't for you. But I believe that if you're here right now, then you know in your heart that you can do better in life. You can build a better lifestyle for you and your family. And I think you know that. Otherwise, you wouldn't be on this workshop 2 hours in. So if you knew for certain that you could improve your financial situation in your future by spending 1 or 2 additional hours per week on crypto, would you do it? I hope you would. I hope you would, because that's all you need to do. So just follow the URL on the screen and you're in. And sometimes you have to be resourceful. You have to be resourceful to make it work when you want something to happen. But don't fall for the when-then trap. Don't fall into that trap. Some people say, well, guys, when I have more time, then I'll get into crypto. But that's a bit like saying, when I feel better, I'll start living healthier, or when I have more money, I'll start learning about investing. That's just not how life works. You've been waiting for an opportunity your whole life. And if you just keep waiting, then you may as well just give up. It's action that creates results, not waiting. Crypto is a once-in-a-generation opportunity, and so is the crypto code. We've never seen an asset class that offers this big of an opportunity to build wealth, and the tools we've built work. They just plain work. They tap into this opportunity, and they extract the maximum benefit from it. We've benefited from everything from this ourselves in a major way. We have so many students who are getting phenomenal results. We've just never seen anything like this, and there may never be anything like this again, at least in our lifetimes. The tools, the strategies that we give you in this program are simple. They work fast. You can use them to lock in serious profits. You know what limits most people, actually? It's not time, it's not money, it's fear. It's fear. And it's fear of opportunity. There are 7 billion people on the planet, and most of them are never going to see this. But here you are, one of the first people ever to see this. And you have the unique opportunity to jump in and take action on this right now. And you need to take action on this, or you will miss out. Now, you could figure all of this out for yourself. I know you could. I'm 100% certain that you could. You've seen an overview covering the nuts and bolts of how we approach making money in crypto. So with enough time, trial and error, and probably a really good computer programmer, you could have these tools created for yourself. You could figure these strategies out for yourself as well. But why would you want to do that? We can help you bypass all of the delays and the frustrations of trial and error and trying to do it yourself, and just give you the blueprints, give you the tools and the keys to get where you want to go, and give you this software that we've spent thousands of dollars creating and months of testing to get dialed in. We can get you up to speed and making money as fast as humanly possible, but you need to take action right now. If you've decided to jump in, please type "I'm in" the questions box. If you're still thinking about it, just type "thinking." If you're on the fence and there's a big question you haven't asked, then just type "fence" in capital letters and let us know what that question is. And in the meantime, I want to share with you the pricing paradox. So this program is clearly not cheap, but at the same time, it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. The best things in life, as we know, are never cheap. They always require some effort, either financial effort or time effort or both. And cheap things, or things that come too easily, are almost never very good. So when we decided to create the crypto code, we had a choice. We could create a solution that catered to as many people as humanly possible. Maybe we could put together a few videos, stitch together a PDF, maybe sell it for 50 bucks, 100 bucks. But we would have limited ourselves and your opportunity by doing that. The second option was not to start at price, but to focus on value. If we wanted to put every opportunity, every advantage that we could in your corner, what would that look like? So that's how we started. That's how we approached it. And we know that this turns off a lot of the market who only care about price tag, but it gives us an enormous advantage. It means that we can truly build world-class tools that are going to make this stupidly simple for you. It means that we can engineer one-of-a-kind solutions so you can really nail this opportunity and break the rut that you may be in once and for all. But this is not for the person with just a slight desire to get ahead, and it's not priced for that person. This is for someone who's serious, who wants to work with us, who wants to meet us face to face, look us in the eyes in a couple of months' time and tell us how they're doing with the crypto code. Now, we know that you can do this, but you've got to take action. Or, of course, you could do nothing. But again, if you do nothing, nothing's going to change. And if you need something to change, then you need to pony up the little investment we're asking from you today. And yes, I did say little deliberately, because when you compare it to all the value that you're getting in return, it's small. What we're showing you is how you can make 5, 6, perhaps 7 figures per year. We've routinely made hundreds of dollars per day, even thousands of dollars per day with these strategies. And you can get in the door for $1,997. This is a chance to invest in yourself and to make this your best year yet. But you have to make the decision to do it. Now is the time to jump in. So if you're ready to jump in, let me know in the questions box. We still have a free gift, actually a gift package that we're going to be giving away at the end of the workshop here. So make sure to stick around for that. And listen, frankly, you deserve this. So many people who are less intelligent and capable than you have made incredible money in crypto. You deserve to as well. If you're willing to take action and follow through on simple instructions, then get in now. We'll help you do this. We'll do it together. And don't let fear of embarrassment get in your way. You don't have to share what you're doing with anyone if you don't want to. This can be run in 100% privacy if that's important to you. Build it in private and then reveal it to your friends and family if you want once you're making great money. And what happens if you don't do this? It's always important to examine that side of the coin. Well, I've said it before, if nothing changes, nothing changes. Everything stays the same. Another year will slide by. Those who come into this program will prosper. You'll be left on the sidelines. You need to initiate the change. You need to step outside of your comfort zone, which is uncomfortable, but it's what's required. You need to take a leap of faith into something new and different. This is radically different than anything you've seen before, and so you're going to get radically different results. And ask yourself, what's the worst that can happen? The worst that can happen is you try the program for a year and it doesn't work out, and you get double your money back because you followed everything. That's the worst that can happen. So don't let fear cripple you. Fear is irrational. When you really think through the questions, like what's the worst that can happen, you realize there really isn't anything to be afraid of at all. That said, it's okay to be afraid. It's normal to feel afraid, but do it anyway. Take the leap of faith into the unknown, and I'll tell you what, that's where the magic happens. And remember though, you've got a safety net in place. You've got 200% protection with the double your money back guarantee. So you've got everything to gain and nothing to lose here. And remember, you can get started with Wavebot in these 5 simple steps, which take minutes to complete. And then you can tackle the other tools and strategies from there. Or, some people might want to jump straight into the premium trade alerts. We're not going to hold you back from that if that's the route you want to go. The point is, you need to take action right now if you want to get in, or you're going to miss the opportunity. Now, Joel, I know we've got some more questions here. We've probably got another 5 minutes or so left here, guys. So look, if you're going to jump in, I want you to make your decision before the end of the workshop. You've invested a good chunk of time with us here, and you may as well make your decision now as well. So, Joel, I've got some more to share. Should I continue, or should we answer a couple more questions before we move forward?
Hey, let's quickly answer a couple questions. One question that came in, Adam, really quick, is there's a lot of people wondering if they can split up. They're ready to join, but they need to split up the payment on 2 cards. So if that's you, this is what I need you to do. Email support@thecryptocode.com and let the team know that you need to use 2 cards to join, and they will give the instructions on how to do that. So yeah, let's do a couple more questions, Adam. What do you got for
Perfect.
me? You got some
Yeah,
for me?
I'm looking through the questions box here. Let's see. And yeah, Joel, if you see anything that's jumped out at you, let's get to those.
Yeah, sure thing. And by the way,
Um,
so we've had a lot of people ask about like worldwide. We have people from all over the world in this program. And here's the cool thing. Um, you might have currency differences in your country, but remember, you're trading crypto for the most part in US dollars. And if your currency is like less, the valuation is different. Just think you got to make your profits in dollars. So you're actually making better profits at the end of the day. So think about that. A lot of people think of the reverse and they think it's a disadvantage. It's actually an advantage for you. Um, Adam, I think the number one question people have said is, what should I do, WaveBot or the premium trade alerts? And I want to tell you what, you can do both. People
yeah.
love the premium trade alerts and they love WaveBot. And so this is the one thing that's interesting is Adam and I decided our company teaches multiple strategies, not just WaveBot, not just premium trade alerts. We teach so much. We could charge $2,000 for each thing that we deliver, but we decided not to do that, not to upsell you on a bunch of stuff. We decided we're just going to do one price. We're going to give you all of our strategies that we ever come up with, and we're going to always keep our members on top of what is working the best. Premium trade alerts, we started it earlier this year before we rolled it even out to our members. We got it up to this 84% win rate, and we just rolled it out to our members. And one of my family members helps monitor, because what we do is we have a contest. Everyone goes in and they post the results, and that's how they get into that contest where we give away crypto every month. And my son today said, oh my gosh, Dad, 11 people posted today their winning results. And these were like 20%, 30% gains in literally like a few hours of time just from a couple of the premium trade alerts. They're not all winners. 84% win rate, that's high. That is very high. So if you're new to crypto, you can choose what you want to do in this program, and you're going to find what suits you the best. Hopefully that's kind of a long answer, but we've had a ton of people asking that question, Adam. So
Yeah, no, that's great. Awesome stuff. Fantastic. Okay, well, Joel, is there anything else you wanted to cover at the moment? I still have some things to cover, so
yeah, let's go ahead and go right along. Thank you, Adam.
perfect. All right, sounds good. Okay, so maybe what we'll do is spend, maybe 5 more minutes on the workshop here and recap the different components for people. And then I think we can wrap it up here. So I'll just run through things one final time. All right, so again, 5 simple steps to get started with WaveBot. And the reason we're talking about WaveBot, so much is because it's one of the easiest things to get going with in the members area. The premium trade alerts, those are the 2 most popular and easiest things to get going with to start generating income fast. And with WaveBot, it's completely passive income. Passive income is an amazing thing, as some people here may know, but it's really something that not only frees you up financially, but frees up your time as well. And so we kind of look at WaveBot as the foundation of the crypto code. Start with that, get your bots going, get your passive income coming in that you don't have to worry about, then start building your profits, compounding your portfolio with the premium trade alerts. That's one way to approach things. And then you can go deeper from there into the other tools and strategies that we've got for you. But again, with WaveBot, it's 5 simple steps to set up, and then you just rinse and repeat the last couple of steps to set up your second bot. You pick a new crypto to trade, deploy a new WaveBot, collect profits. Now you've got 2 hands-free income streams generating profit 24/7 with WaveBot. Just keep rinsing and repeating as many times as you want. You can set up hundreds or more of automatic daily income streams with WaveBot. There's literally no limit. But again, WaveBot's just one component of the crypto code, which contains everything we've done to earn millions of dollars in crypto. This is the ultimate solution for profiting in the crypto markets. It's where you'll get the tools and the strategies to make money quickly and also to maximize gains, to maximize your profits, all without taking unnecessary risk. And of course, you've got support and coaching every single step of the way. The level of personal support and attention you're going to receive is, I haven't seen that available in any other program, crypto related or not. We really are dedicated to your success. When you jump in today, you're going to get immediate access to the members area. You're going to be able to get started right away. Again, component number 1 is WaveBot itself. You'll be able to lock in your first passive income stream with WaveBot just as soon as you finish the videos, really. Again, most people do that in under a day, and then you can scale from there very rapidly by setting up additional campaigns. Again, WaveBot can trade any cryptocurrency. It can trade multiple cryptos at once, so you'll be locking in profits repeatedly all day long. We've got the Crypto Code University. Again, this is the ultimate crypto training hub. The breadth and depth of training and content that you're going to get here, we could do a whole webinar on that. Again, you're getting 92 in-depth video lessons over 3 groundbreaking courses, and you can go through these courses at your own pace. But ultimately, they're designed to take you from newbie to expert and to give you the skills, the knowledge, and the confidence to really knock it out of the park in crypto and to be in that top less than 1% of people who really know what they're doing. And then we have component number 3, the Crypto Mastermind. Again, this is where you're getting the hands-on coaching and support. This is our exclusive members-only community and support desk. We've got multiple avenues of assistance for you here, so you can ask questions and get help, even if it's the middle of the night. This includes our coaching forum, our rapid response help desk. Again, we've helped thousands of people make money in crypto, and we provide a very hands-on experience in the members area. Component number 4, the premium trade alerts. Again, these are the copy-paste trade alerts delivered to you multiple times per week. And don't underestimate, the key word there is copy-paste. These include the exact entry, exit, and take profit and stop loss levels. You just take these numbers, plug them into your exchange, let the trade execute. You've seen our trading track record. You've seen our 11.7% average return per trade. You know that these trades are successful at an 84% win rate. These are the real deal. And of course, the live event. And we're really excited about this. We're going to be getting a lot of like-minded people in one room together, and you're going to want to be a part of that for sure. You're also going to get the recordings of the live event as a bonus. You'll get the VIP portfolio pass where you can see Joel and my personal crypto portfolio anytime you want. Follow along with our investments and our trades. You're going to get the Power Indicators bundle. Again, this is just yet another tool that is going to enable you to see fast success as an active trader. So this is for you if you want to actually be actively looking at charts and trading crypto on your own. Now, of course, you can still use the premium trade alerts, but if you also want to learn charts and start looking for opportunities yourself and to know when to buy or sell any given crypto, you can load up the Power Indicators on your TradingView chart, and they're going to tell you when to buy and sell that crypto. So it's just yet another tool that you can weave in to your overall schedule and your approach with this program for growing your wealth. You've got the Fast Start training. Again, this is all about just minimizing the time that you need to spend to get up and running. This training is going to get you up and running fast with the most popular features: WaveBot, the premium trade alerts, the TCC trend indicators. You're going to get future access to WaveBot DEX. This is on the horizon, and we're going to be releasing this soon. It's like WaveBot's perfect complement. You still are going to want to use WaveBot, but WaveBot DEX is amazing in the fact that it's going to unlock the entire DeFi ecosystem, and it's going to allow you to trade in a more private and secure way as well. Remember, this requires absolutely no experience. We're giving you everything you need to succeed, along with hand-holding support and coaching to make sure that you get to the finish line with this. This is the perfect opportunity, period. It doesn't matter what you're doing. It doesn't matter if you've got $1 million business already. This is what is working right now, and it's what's going to continue to work going forward. It's the ultimate way to take advantage of everything crypto has to offer. Again, it's a once-in-a-generation opportunity. The value of everything you're receiving here is huge, bigger than anything we've put together before. We've got the core components. We've got $8,000, $7,500 worth of extras. The total value of the crypto code and everything that you're going to be getting access to today is over $23,000. It includes everything that you could possibly need, but again, you need to jump in right now or you could miss out. Yeah, this can be your breakthrough year, but you've got to take action. And remember, we can only accept a small number of people into this program. We're going to be shutting down the doors soon as we're inching closer to capacity here. And when we do that, again, the doors are often closed for a long time, and I just want to make sure that's clear because I don't want you to miss this, come back, the doors are closed, and we have to tell you, well, we'll be opening up again in 6 months. I really don't want to give you that news. So, really take that into consideration. You need to go to the link on the screen there, go to that link, and you can make your investment and get started. We would love to have you with us. We're excited that we're going to have you with us for those that are jumping in. And you know, this is going to be a total game changer for those who are jumping in. Again, if you're an action taker, you've got zero risk here. You've got the double your money back guarantee. That's your safety net. We've got you covered. So we have just one final thing to do here, and then we'll shut this workshop down. Before we do that, though, just let me know in the questions box if you've jumped in the last few minutes, or if you've decided that you're going to get in. Because if you confirm with me now that you're in, or that you're going to be getting in the next couple of minutes, then I'll make sure to get those two special fast action bonuses over to you as well. That's the crypto wallet and the 25 top altcoin gems report. Okay, awesome. So I can see more people typing in that they're in the process of getting in, or yeah, have gotten in. Awesome. So congratulations, guys. It's so great to have you with us. Listen, if you have any final order questions or any questions in general that we haven't answered for you here today, you've got three options from here. Option one is you can use the private chat on the order page itself. Option two is you can send Joel a text message on his personal cell phone number, which you can see there on the screen. Option three is to send Joel a personal email. You can see that on the screen as well. Now, depending on how many questions we have, it may take Joel, a few hours to get back to you, but he will respond personally to each and every inquiry. Again, we want to make sure all your questions are answered. We're here to clarify whatever it is you need. Now, we do have those special gifts we're going to leave you with. So this link that you see on the screen is where you can go to get your free gift package. Again, it includes the $10 in Bitcoin, the drawing where you can win $500 in Bitcoin every week, and your special mystery gift. The mystery gift, by the way, is a special report we wrote covering a specific crypto token that we are extremely excited about for the upcoming bull run. So just go to thecryptocode.com/gift. Again, to get the $10 in Bitcoin, you'll need to take a short quiz. That's our way of confirming that you were tuned in today and listening to this information, and you're someone who's serious about getting results in crypto. So if you listen to the presentation today, you'll have no problem completing that quiz. It'll just take 1 or 2 minutes. And yeah, before I kind of close things out, Joel, was there anything more that you that I've missed or that you wanted to share?
I just want to say thank you, everyone, for being here today. And those of you guys that have joined already, you are going to love it. You have made the right decision. We're super excited to work with you. This program is very different than any other program that you joined in the past. You're going to love it. You're going to have a lot of interaction with myself, with Adam, with all of our other members. You're making the right choice. Make the decision. Get started today. Well, I'm really looking forward to getting to know you and all of our other members that have joined today. So awesome. Thank you for taking your time to be here. And it's just been a pleasure. Actually, Adam, once we close out here, I want to put my screen on. Does anyone want to see some Wavebot making money in real time right now? Like at the end? Do you want to see that? Type in yes if that's you. All right, Adam, while you're kind of finishing up here, I'm going to take the slides and switch it over, and then I'm going to put my screen back on. So I'll turn it back to you.
Sounds good, Joel. Yeah, I just echo what you said. I mean, we're really towards the end here. I do want to say as well, thank you for putting your trust in us. Thanks for hanging out with us here for the past 2+ hours. We're really looking forward to getting to know you all even more and watching you succeed in the weeks to come. So thank you as well. And Joel, I'll turn it back to you.
Awesome. Thank you, guys. I just thought this would be kind of fun because we had people, maybe didn't see this earlier if you jumped in. So you guys got the link there. You guys got the link for the gift. Make sure you get that. We love to give away Bitcoin. So there's the link, $797. Let me go ahead and refresh it, see if our Wavebots have made any money since we did that. Let me push it and show you the last 7 days, this particular one. There we go, $805.99. Actually, let me bring up this other one and show you that in action. So I'll go ahead and scroll. I got to scroll all the way down. And here we go. Boom, Bitcoin. That was actually a short on Bitcoin. So we made money while it was going down. We made $8.62 as it was going down. See, we're just taking small little profits up and down. See, we made money on a short today on Bitcoin. We did another short on Bitcoin, $17. Oh, we made some money on Bitcoin. It was going up, $8.65. Look, we did short, $8.56. The same thing, guys. So the secret of this is we're making money when markets are going up or down. And it doesn't matter if you don't know what long or short means. All you have to know is you're making money when the price goes up, you're making money when the price goes down. So we're super excited to teach this to you. Those of you guys that have joined it, you've made the right decision. We're really, really excited to work with you. If you guys have any questions, like Adam said, you can text me on my mobile number. Please don't use that for customer support. We have a whole team of support reps, including myself and Adam, who jump into support. Only use that phone number to text me if you're trying to decide if you want to join or not, or if you have questions, problem ordering, or just email me at joel@joelpeterson.me at that link there, and I will personally answer you. I can't do it right now this second. There might be a little delay. Let's just jump on in, guys. We're super excited. That's all I have to say. So let me do this. I'm going to go ahead and sign out here, but I'll keep this screen open for a few minutes, and I'm going to mute myself, and then I'm going to spend a few minutes here just answering last-minute questions before we turn the screen off. And when we turn the screen off, you're done. You know, you may have missed your chance. So unless you typed in like I'm in, save my spot, in process, we won't know who you are to get you your bonus. So make sure you type that in right now. Thank you everyone for being here. I'm going to mute myself out, spend a few minutes answering questions best I can. Please understand we have hundreds and hundreds of people asking questions right now. So if we don't get your question answered, please don't be offended. Just text me at that number or email me right there, joel@joelpeterson.me, and we will make sure that you get your questions answered. Alrighty, guys, this is Joel Peterson. Thank you for being here. Thank you, Adam, for an amazing job. Thank you for taking your time, everyone. As always, take massive action in your life and anything you do. This is Joel Peterson and Adam Short with the Crypto Code. We'll see you on the inside. I'll mute myself for a few minutes and answer a few last-minute questions. Alrighty, guys, bye-bye.